How to write a book using Google Docs voice recognition. Part 1. Setting up Google Docs voice recognition. Let's go to Google and search for Google Docs. Click on Google Docs and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in Google Docs, select Blank Document. From the menu bar, select Tools, Voice, Typing. Click on the microphone on the left. You can now speak directly into the microphone to record your book. Part 2. Tips for using voice recognition effectively. Voice typing works in these languages and accents. You can use different phrases to add punctuation to your text. Punctuation might not be available in every language. Try out using the following phrases. Part 3. Organising your book. Create an outline of your book structure. Use headings and subheadings to organise chapters and sections. Use bullet points or numbered lists for easy readability. Add images, tables and charts as needed. Part 4. Exporting and publishing your book. Proofread and edit your manuscript. Format your book according to publishing guidelines. Export your Google Doc as a PDF, EPUB or other file formats. Choose a self-publishing platform or submit your manuscript to traditional publishers. You may want to consider using software to make publishing your book simple and easy without the need to worry about margins and settings. Wombat Coaching recommends using BookBolt for use with Kindle Direct Publishing. And there you have it. Writing a book has never been easier, thanks to Google Docs voice recognition. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.